Okay, so for my cloud storage, I decided to go with Google Drive because that's what I've been using for years. And if you look at the screen, you can see that I have already used it before. For this class, you can see that I've created folders. So I have two EDCI 270 assignments, so I can put my things from like badges, like requirements, and then I have a spelling for kindergarteners, which is my theme folder, and so I can put things that pertain to my theme in that folder. And so if I go ahead and click on here, you can see that I have already saved like my first badge challenge to this assignment folder. And so now I can just have a place where I keep everything so I don't lose it. And then if I go in my theme folder, you can see that I've already created a document of useful links. So like if I click on this, I can open up that link and it takes me to something that pertains to my theme, which I've been using throughout the beginning. I can add different files to here, so I could go through here. So let's say I hadn't added useful links yet, so I would just click on that and it would be added to this. So it just added that because it was the same version, but if it was a different document, it would just show up. And so let's say I wanted to share this folder with someone else, I could click on this and then I could just add someone's email address. So let's say I wanted to share it with myself, and then I could click send and it would send a link. So I could either send an invitation for them to edit it, or I could send an invitation where it would just show it to them. And so let's go ahead and do that. And so it says that the link was sharing and updated, and so it was shared with one recipient, and so that shows that I shared it with someone else.